Students, welcome to third standard science class video session, lesson 6, different foods we eat. In today's session, we are going to learn about food groups. In that heading, we are going to learn about energy giving food. The food rich in carbohydrates and fats are called energy giving food. Let us go into the session. In this session, we are going to learn lesson 6, different foods we eat, topic, food groups and energy giving food. We are going to learn the three food groups. They are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. A balanced diet is made up of 5 food groups. They are fruits and vegetable, starchy food, dairy products, protein and fat. Children, we all need food to stay healthy. It gives us energy to do our work and also to grow. It is not possible to fulfill all these needs by eating just one food items. Different food items fulfill different needs as they have different nutrients in them. There are 3 main kinds of food groups based on the nutrients they contain. They are energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Food items from all these groups should be included in our diet. First, let us learn about fruits and vegetables. You should eat at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables a day. They contain important vitamins and minerals that help prevent diseases as well as fiber which can lower cholesterol, keep the bowel healthy and help digestion. Then we learn about starchy food. Starchy food like potatoes, bread, rice and pasta should make up around a third of what you eat. They are a good source of energy and essential fiber, calcium, iron and vitamins. Whole grain food usually have more fiber and nutrients. They take longer to digest, so they can help you feel full for longer time. Dairy and dairy alternatives are good sources of protein and vitamins. They also contain calcium, which helps keep our bones healthy and strong. Pulses is a great source of protein. And also, fish is a great source of protein, vitamins and minerals. Eggs are also a good source of protein, vitamins and minerals. They are a good choice as part of a healthy balanced diet. Oil are rich in fat. Oil contains a dietary fat which is needed for the body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E and K. Fat also provides the body with 9 calories of energy per gram of fat. Additionally, the body also uses fat to produce hormones, signal hunger, regulate body temperature and construct cell membranes. Next, we are going to learn about energy giving food. Why do we need energy? We need energy to work, play, move around and do various activities. We get this energy by eating food which contain nutrients called carbohydrates and fats. So, the carbohydrates and fats are called the energy giving nutrients. Food such as rice, wheat, jowar and potatoes contain carbohydrates. What are the food contain carbohydrates? Foods such as rice, wheat, jowar and potatoes contain carbohydrates and are the main source of energy for our body. Foods like butter, ghee, oil and nuts contain fat that also give energy and keep our body warm. Foods like rice, ghee, potato, wheat, butter, oil and nuts are a rich source of carbohydrates and fats. Starch, sugar and fiber are the most common carbohydrates found in food. Carbohydrates are the nutrients most frequently used as an energy source, as they are fast acting and turn into energy as soon as they are ingested. This energy powers the brain and body. The energy that powers the brain and body is generated when carbohydrates are broken down. Then we learn about food rich in carbohydrates that you must eat. Food such as rice, wheat, jowar and potatoes contain carbohydrates and the main source of energy for our body. Fat contained food also give energy and keep our body warm. The food high in fat, they are fatty meats and fish, cheese, butter, avocado, nuts and seeds, chocolates. Children, we can classify the fat into two. They are good fat and bad fat. You have eat the food which is rich in good fat. You have to avoid the food that contain bad fat. So children, you keep you healthy. You should eat food from the four food groups. They are vegetables and fruits, grain foods, milk and milk products, meat, fish, eggs and legumes. I hope you got clear information about energy giving food. Thank you students. Have a nice day.